Hello, in this short lecture I will talk about the most fundamental structure of matter. Okay. The matter actually consists of 17 elementary particles, as you can see in this picture, and every elementary particle has its antiparticle. So in total we have 17 elementary particles that you can see them in the picture, and 17 elementary antiparticles. For example, the antiparticle of electron is positron, that has positive charge, whereas the electron has negative charge. Okay, and actually these 17 elementary particles consist of 12 elementary matter particles. We have 6 quarks in the purple color and 6 leptons in the green color. So we have 12 elementary matter particles that are called fermions. And in addition, we have 4 elementary force particles in the red color that are called bosons. And the 17th elementary particle is boson X, that is responsible for the mass the other elementary particles have. All the elementary particles have mass except for the gluon and the photon that don't have mass. And the origin of the mass of the other particles is boson X particle. Okay, so it gives the other particles their mass. Okay, so actually the 4 force particles in the red color, those particles carry the 4 fundamental forces in nature. The gluon carries the strong nuclear force, that is the force that binds the protons together in the nucleus of the atom. And we actually have 8 types of gluons. And then we have the photon. The photon particles carry the electromagnetic force that actually explains how the charged particles interact with each other. And then we have boson Z and boson W that carry the weak nuclear force that is responsible for the radioactive decay of atoms. And we have two types of boson W, so in total we have 12 force particles in this table, because we have 8 gluons, 1 photon, 1 boson Z, and 2 boson W. In total is 12 force particles. And the 13th particle is not in this table. It is the graviton particle that carry the gravitational force. Actually, the graviton is not discovered yet, but the scientists believe that it does exist. And the gravitational force is the reason that any two objects in the universe are attracted to each other, and the force of the attraction is proportional to the product of their masses divided by the square of the distance between them. Okay, so the standard model doesn't have the gravitational force, and this is one of its disadvantages of this theory of the standard model. And the 17th elementary particle is boson X. As I have already said, it gives the other elementary particles the mass. Okay, except for the gluon and the photon that doesn't have mass at all. Okay, so we can say that the basic building blocks of matter are the atoms, and a group of atoms that are bound together is called a molecule. For example, water, the molecule of water is H2O. It has 2 hydrogen atoms and it has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom that bonds together and creates the molecule of water. Okay, and the atom itself consists electrons that orbit around the center of the atom, and in the center of the atom we have the nucleus that consists of protons and neutrons. And the protons and neutrons are not elementary particles because they themselves consist of quarks. Okay, the protons and the neutrons are made of quarks. We have already seen there is 6 types of quarks in the purple color, and the quarks are the 6 elementary particles out of 17 elementary particles that we know that exist. Okay, thank you very much.